The youth play a significant role in Africa Renaissance through identifying opportunities that will help in the economic growth of Africa as a continent. For instance, they can focus their energies when it comes to like the mineral resources which are underutilized and unexploited. I think the youth can also focus on political stability and be able to be part of policy making and also participating at the election processes. And when it comes to maybe focusing on the minerals, that will be able to create an employment venture for them, and it will also deal with poverty eradication. And when it comes to focusing on stability, the youth will be able to be more vocal when it comes to their issues affecting them, and they'll be able to advocate the change that they need for a better Africa.